Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have a very simple job. We're going to be changing the light bulb in the back on this 2008. It's a Honda CRV. A lot of the cars are all very similar to this, but I'm going to show you how to remove this assembly here to replace that light bulb in there. Alright, so let me grab a screwdriver. We're basically going to open up these little covers right here, this one and this one. We're going to take out, there's probably going to be two 10mm screws, either 8 or 10mm. We're going to remove them, take those two out, and we're going to pull the light assembly out, and we'll replace that bulb. So let me grab a screwdriver and we'll get started. Okay, first thing we can do is just get in here with the screwdriver. You just pry out on this a little bit. Now obviously you're going to hold on to these because we're going to need to put these back in there. Alright, it looks like it is 8mm. Either 8mm or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver, either one. Now, don't lose the screws because you are going to need to put these back in. They're really not that tight because they just screw it into a little plastic clip. And just give it a little pull. And you don't want to really yank it, you want to just pull it very easy until it pops out like that because you don't want to break the clips that actually hold it in place. I'm going to show you what those clips look like. All these little plastic pieces here. You just give a little bit of a pull on it, it'll pop right out. Now the bulb we're going to be changing, now it's up to you. If you have it off and you want to change all the light bulbs, you can do it, or you can change just the one. And the way you get it out is you just turn the socket and just pull it right out like that. And then on this particular case, the I'm sorry. Okay. All right. Sounds good. Yeah, you just put it right over next to the tire machine there. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Just take the light bulb, and this bulb here is just it pushes in. It doesn't really turn in. It's actually just a push in like this. And of course we're going to get rid of it. We can take the new bulb, push the new bulb in there, and then we'll put it back into the light itself. It just pushes in, and you turn it, and it snaps in place. Now if you're changing any other bulbs, you do it the exact same way. And now before we put it back on, we're going to check it and make sure it works. Okay, we're in good shape. Okay, like I said, if you're going to change the rest of the light bulbs, you want to go ahead and change them at the same time. In this particular case, I'm not going to. You just push this back in here, and what you're going to do first, before you put these screws in, is you line those little pins up right there, and you can feel it when it's lined up, and then just tap it, and it pops right in. Take your two screws. And now remember, you're not going in tight, you're just screwing it in very loosely. And you're going to get the top one in here in. And now you can tighten them up. And remember, you're only screwing into plastic clips. You don't want to over tighten it and break them. To put these clips back in here, you put that little hook back in the bottom like this, and just push it, and it snaps right in. Same thing up here, like this. Snaps in, and that's it. You're all done. All right, as always, thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, drop me a line. I'll be more than happy to talk to anybody about anything. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.